If you need to update your name servers in Hostinger, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you're connecting your domain to a new website builder, pointing it to a different hosting provider, or fixing a DNS setup, changing your name servers is an important task you want to do correctly. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Hostinger, what to click, and how to save the changes properly so your domain can start using the new name server settings. And before we get into it, if this guide helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel and lets you find more step-by-step videos whenever you need them. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account, open your browser, and sign in with the account that manages your domain. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the domain section. This is where Hostinger keeps all of your domain settings in one place, including DNS options and name server controls. After clicking domains, you'll see a list of the domains connected to your account. Find the domain you want to update and select it. Make sure you choose the correct domain if you manage more than one, because name server changes apply to the specific domain you select. This is one of the most important steps, especially if you're working with multiple websites. Once your domain is open, look for the DNS or name servers area. Next to that, you should see an edit option. Click edit to open the settings for that domain's name servers. Hostinger will then show you the current DNS or name server configuration along with the option to make changes. From there, choose change name servers. This tells Hostinger that you want to replace the current name server records with new ones. In many cases, you may see a confirmation step, so go ahead and select Change Name Servers again when prompted. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental changes and makes sure you really want to switch the domain to custom name servers. Now it's time to enter the new name servers provided by your hosting company, DNS service or website platform. These usually come in a pair or more, such as Nameserver 1 and Nameserver 2. Carefully type them exactly as given, because even a small typo can cause your domain to stop pointing correctly. Take your time here and double check every character before moving on. If you have more than 2 name servers, add each one in the correct field. Some services may give you 3 or 4 name servers, so use all the ones they provide if required. Also make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the name server text. Accuracy matters here, because DNS changes depend on exact matching. After entering the new name servers, click Save. This is the final step to submit the changes inside Hostinger. Once you save, Hostinger will update the domain's name server records. Keep in mind that name server changes don't always take effect instantly. In many cases, DNS propagation can take some time to fully update across the internet, so your website or email may not switch over right away. If everything was entered correctly, your domain will eventually begin using the new name servers. That means future DNS management will happen through the new provider instead of Hostinger's default settings. This is especially useful when you're moving your website, connecting to a different platform, or managing records in an external DNS service. And that's it. You've now learned how to update name servers in Hostinger step by step. It's a pretty straightforward process once you know where to look, and now you can do it confidently whenever you need to point your domain somewhere new. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Hostinger or website setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.